This is the McTaser I built. Why, you might be asking? Well, why not? I just had this high voltage module from AliExpress laying current and decided to make something out of it. I'm not even sure how I came up with the idea. Anyways, all I needed for it was a button, a battery, a high voltage module, a McDonald's cup and some other stuff. And while I'm building it, I want to introduce myself and my channel, since this is the first video in this style I have ever made and hopefully a start of a new series. My name is Oliver and this is my channel, where I'm looking forward to building stuff, like the abomination you're currently seeing on your screen. I'm still developing my style and learning how to edit videos, so if you got any ideas or feedback for me, I'm more than happy to read it. And if you want to support me, it would be nice if you gave this video a like or subscribe to the channel. And now, without further ado, let's go back to the project. This was the simplest thing I've built so far. There isn't much I can say about the McTaser itself. It's just an LED, a button, and a resistor on top of a high voltage module from AliExpress. And the module is basically just a cheap transformer circuit from China that definitely doesn't meet any safety standards. But looks pretty cool, and dumb and dangerous. But if it works, it works. And here's some testing footage of this thing.